So let's start with another integral problem. So this is very important integral question, and this question had come in CBSE 2003 compartment paper. And one of the interesting things about this question is it looks, like you have to solve this integral with the help of partial fraction method. But here you can solve this, but before solving that we need to make some arrangements. So what are those arrangements? Let's see. Now we put x is equal x cube here, and this is x square. So we need to make substitution of x cube as any variable. Let's That variable is t. Now what is our dt over dx? That is going to be 3x square. Okay, now if you solve this, this is going to be dt 3x square dx. So now here you get x square dx, and what about 3? So you can take the 3 on left hand side, so it will become dt by 3 x square dx. Now substitute this into this. So after substituting these values into the integral, what is integral should be going to be like? Let's see. X square dx is you can take 1 by 3 outside the integral. Now you're left with dt by 1 plus t. Now this is 2 plus t. Now here it looks like we can solve this integral now. So during exams it becomes difficult to predict what is your next step is going to be. Now you can solve this by partial fraction. So by partial fraction we can solve this. So we assume the integrand 1 by 1 plus t 2 plus t is equal to a by 1 plus t plus b by 2 plus t. Now one can easily solve this by taking LCMs on both sides and cancelling the terms. So you are left with 1 is equal to a 2 plus t plus b into 1 plus t. So now how can you obtain your values of a and b here? So I am simply making substitution. T is equal to, if I put t is equal to minus 1 here, so this term will be 0, and here it is, so put t is equal to minus 1. So what will you have? Here t is equal to minus 1, so that is 2, minus 1 is 1, and a has 1. Similarly for b, we put t is equal to minus 2 here, so it will be 0. So if you put here minus 2, 1 minus 2 is again minus 1. So you have the value for b, which is equal to minus 1. Now you can substitute your values of a and b here. So you can write it as a 1 by 1 plus t and plus b yani minus 1 by 2 plus t, and integrate this whole integral with respect to dt. Now you have to integrate this integral separately. So when you integrate this, 1 by t is nothing but what? Log 1 plus t Similarly, minus for this log 2 plus t plus c. You have. Now you got your integral very easily. Now you can substitute the value of t here, which is x cube, and again here also, which is x cube. So this is your final answer. Hope you like this video, and please raise your comments and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Till then, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.